So here's the Cuptisserie spinning some cups, and in this video I'm just going to show the basics of loading and unloading it, how to use it when you're just doing 2 cups or you're doing 4 cups or 5 cups. So let me get started with that. So say you just want to turn 1 cup. Well, the minimum loading on this thing should always be 2 cups as a minimum. So in a previous video I just did, I can show you how to make these open cell cup holders. It's open cell foam, and all you do is you insert this into your cup, and then you grab the shaft, whether it be the right shaft or left shaft, doesn't matter which one you're going to work with, and then you slowly twist and insert 1 cup on, and then you take your 2nd cup and then you load it on the other side of the shaft. And what this does is it balances the weight of the cups on the shaft, so that the gear, if you only loaded 1 cup onto the shaft, it would push the gear and cause slight binding in here. So this is just running it with 2 cups. Just turn it on and run it. Now if you're going to do 3 cups, you still need to load a minimum of 4 cups on the system to work with 3 cups. So you just grab the back side of the shaft, slowly twist it on there, and the same with the next cup. And then if you're going to fully load the system, you do the center shaft as your final shaft. And you leave a little gap in here so that you can work with your epoxy so that it doesn't have a rough edge on it. And then you just turn the unit back on. Anyways, I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I have more videos coming, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.